Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm gonna be doing this look. This is called the Flawless Face by MERCIER. Alright guys, so the first step for this flawless face, we're going to be going in with primer. And you guys know I have one go-to primer that I use all the time. A lot of my videos you guys see it, and normally is the foundation primer from MERCIER, but they also have here the foundation primer hydrating primer. So today I'm gonna go with this one for this flawless face look. So I'm just gonna add a little bit to my face. I already have my eyes done and my brows. And for my eyes, I use this MERCIER little eye palette. This one's called Extreme Natural Eyeshadow Palette. I don't know if you guys ever saw this little palette. I even have these for so long, but I love the shades. They're just so pretty. And a shade that I use today, I use this little brown one here for my transition shade. I use this one all over the shade, and I use this metallic, this pretty shimmery one here on my eyelids. So let's apply this primer to the face and apply primer prior your foundation. It's very important for you to have a foundation that's gonna stay in place looking beautiful and flawless the whole day. So I think you guys noticed I'm not on my normal setup. My little room where I film is busy now, so I'm just on my bedroom chilling, sit on my bed. So now I'm going to use some concealer for just conceal. I have a little blemish here, I don't know if you guys can see, on the side of my mouth. So I have here 3 different shades. One is the N2, N1, and N3. So let's see which one is the one for cover the blemish. Okay, so I'm gonna use this N2 for my little blemish that I have here. It's just like a one little, you know, the little annoying hair that we have sometime around our mouth. So I just got one there, and it was really annoying. And I tried to pull out my tweezer, and I think I broke the hair on the root. I'm a disaster. So I'm just going to pat the concealer in. Voila, just like that my blemish is gone. Alright guys, so now let's go in with foundation. I have 2 shades here. I have a shade 3 and 2 Honey from MERCIER, that amazing foundation, and I have the 3 and 1 Latte. So the Honey one is new. I normally use the Latte, but alright, so this is the shade Honey. Let's see how it looks. What do you guys think? This foundation is so luminous, so pretty. So on this side I have the shade Honey. So I'm just going to put the Latte shade, because it was my first shade from them, on the other side, so we can compare them. Alright, so now that's the Latte, what I normally use. Okay, the Latte is a little darker than the Honey. I used to use a foundation for L'Oreal that the shade was Honey. I don't even remember which one was. They look very close, but very close. I can get away with both of them, but I think that the latte is slightly darker than the honey, but both of them fits my skin tone. This foundation, guys, it's so beautiful, so luminous. Why I feel like I'm too white on the camera? I think it's the light. Yes, I am that white? I think my camera is too white. Yeah, I think that's better. The light was very white, so I just make the light a little darker. But you guys can see the finish. It's so luminous. I'm just put a little bit of lip gloss on because I swear I can stand have the face full of foundation and don't have nothing on my lips. Swiping off the foundation. Much better. This is one of Laura Mercier minis. I have this so long, if I tell you guys. I think I got this mini in one of like the holidays little set that they do. I love the little sets and can't wait for the holidays. Yeah, but I have in pink, I have all a bunch of different colors. I love them. I keep on my gym bag, sometimes everywhere where I can just grab them and go. Alright, so now that our foundation is in place, I don't actually need much concealer because you guys can see that my skin looks good. But I'm going to apply a little bit of concealer just so we can brighten up a little bit. And this concealer, guys, it blends so beautiful, so easy to blend and stay in place all day, which is something that I love. And the third thing that I love about this concealer, never creases. So it's definitely one of my go-to like everyday concealer. You know, makeup for me is just like skincare. You know, I have many different of them that I like, many brands. And I like, you know, to mix them up, change them up. Sometimes use one thing, then use another thing. But, you know, it's always we're gonna find the one or two product that's our go-to product that we just love. And this concealer and this foundation have to be one that I really enjoy. Just bring it down a little bit since the foundation look a little bit too light. It's not too light, I don't know if the light or the camera, on the camera I'm looking a little too bright, so I just bring it down, make everything look the same. But don't worry because we're going to bronze the face up, so yeah. Alright, so now that's this is the Flawless Fusion Concealer Ultra Long Wear from Laura Mercier. And the foundation is the Laura Mercier Flawless Lumiere Radiance. This foundation, I swear, do you guys see how amazing the foundation is? It's just so glowy, so beautiful. So now I'm just going to set my under eye with a little bit of this Laura Mercier Secret Brightening for Under Eye Powder, Lumiere. And for this, I'm going to use Laura Mercier Put. And for this, I'm gonna use this brightening powder, also from Laura Mercier. So I just put a little bit on the top of the cap, and I just tap the excess out. And now I'm just going to get my mirror. Sorry, my mirror is all full of makeup. And now let's set this. I gently just press this brightening powder on my eye, very gentle. And voila, your concealer is set and bright and pretty and ready to go. So now I'm just gonna go set my whole face. So To set my foundation, I'm just gonna use some of MERCIER translucent glow powder. This powder is so beautiful. Oh, so pretty. I can't get enough of. So I just add a little bit to the cap of the powder, and then I'm gonna get my glow brush, and I'm just going to add some of the brush, tap the excess. So now with the glow powder, I'm just going to set strategically. I'm like in the middle of my face, because you know I want that little glow that look like a highlighter. This powder is so beautiful, guys, so beautiful. So beautiful. I love this powder, really. You know, I'm like all about the glow. And I'm gonna go back in with my puff and just press everything in place, just to make sure I don't have any little missed spot. Fabulous. So for bronze, I'm gonna use this number 2 from Matte Radiance Baked Powder from MERCIER in bronze number 2, and I'm just gonna use a big fluffy brush. That's what the bronze look like. I love this powder. It's a bronze, but you know, it's just so beautiful. Like the finish is really pretty. So let's make this face a little less pale. Right, much better. So now let's go in with some blush, and for blush we're going to be use this MERCIER called Peach, and this blush, it's so pretty, so gorgeous. I love this blush, definitely one of my go-to everyday blush. Luminous peachy blush shade, just fabulous. And a little bit on your forehead, like on your chin. Just look like, you know, you come from the sun and you'll just glowing, bronzed, peachy, all gorgeous looking. So now that we have our blush bronzer in, I'm gonna go in with some highlighter, going with indiscretion, because since I have the like the peach, the bronzer, this one is more like a golden tone instead of the one who's a little bit on a cooler tone. Now that we're done, I'm gonna take out my lip gloss because I'm gonna be using a fabulous lipstick, Rouge Essential, which is a gorgeous red. I told you guys that I'm in love with this red. It's just so beautiful and so perfect, and stay in place all day too. It's long, like a 6 hours lasting, so you don't have to be touching up, ain't gonna be bleeding on you. It's a fabulous lippy. So what you guys think of this look? This is a flawless face look, or you can call it whatever you want to look. It's fabulous and is by MERCIER. So if this is your first time watching, hi, my name is Paula. This is my humble little corner of the internet. So I hope you guys to join me and see more videos that have to come. And I'd like to say thank you so much for making a subscriber. Love you guys to the moon back. I'll see you guys next video. Bye.